All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about the current status of cryptocurrencies and where Bitcoin is headed and how you can still make money while the markets are all in the red. Stay tuned. All right, hey everybody, how's it going? So I'm making this video due to the fact that there is a lot of uncertainty and doubt right now in the crypto markets, seeing that everything is pretty much in the red. Bitcoin has took a dramatic fall. A lot of people are getting worried. They don't know what to do. A lot of people are selling their cryptos and they just don't have the belief anymore that the crypto markets are going to return. But this really does not affect my train of thought whatsoever. We already expected Bitcoin to do a retracement. It just can't keep going up and up and up without coming down and testing those prices. So if you take a look at my chart here, there's a couple different areas that I want you to take a look at. One is the all-time high right here where we're at. So this is the resistance level that we're at. And then we also have a retracement right here down to around 30,000 or so. So if we can hold here, we can expect possibly to reach all new highs with Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies will soon follow after. But you also need to be aware that Bitcoin could go possibly even lower. Bitcoin could retrace all the way down to the 786 or possibly the 886 as well. You need to understand that this is quite common with cryptocurrencies and Forex as well. So if we get a retracement back down to the 786 or the 886, this is a major time to buy. So what's happening right now is the big traders are basically driving this price down so that way they can get in at a good price, so that way we can achieve all new highs. But all of this has to happen first, okay? We have to test these price areas and then we can start making our way back to the top. Right now, we can actually see the price is trying to hold at around 30,000, but it could possibly go lower. So don't be surprised if the price does go lower. Just make sure you hold your cryptocurrency. And then if the price does go lower, go ahead and buy more, okay? So we know that cryptocurrency is the wave of the future. We know that cryptocurrency is here to stay. And we know digital currency is our future, period, all right? So keep your eye on this. Now I'm going to show you a platform where you can still be making money while cryptocurrency markets are going through this bearish market. All right. So what I want to show you right now is Pionex. So Pionex is a trading bot that trades your cryptocurrencies for you. It's really easy for you to set up and really easy for you to use as well. So basically they have a couple different bots that's set up inside of the Pionex platform that you can set up to automatically trade your cryptocurrencies. One of my favorite one is the grid trading bot, and it works very similar to this here. So as you see, it buys when it's low and then it sells when it's high. And it does this for you on autopilot. So even while the crypto markets are bleeding, you can still make some money. And then when these crypto markets return, your balance is going to look beautiful. So if you take a look over here at my trading bots, you can take a look and see all of the markets are red, okay? But if you look at just today's profit right here, we're still making money because we're grid trading. We're buying low, we're selling high. And if the price continues to go low, then we'll buy more, and that will give us a better dollar cost average. So you can see here that we're all in the green for today. So today is a good day. We're still making money. And when these markets return, all of these profits are going to look beautiful inside of my account. All right. So this is an easy way for you to continuously build your crypto portfolio and still make some money while the crypto markets are going down. I'm not pulling anything out of here. I'm going to keep this grid bot trading and then wait for the markets to return and watch my balance explode. So check out PionX. I'll leave a link inside the video. Hopefully it helps you guys out with your crypto trading journey. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you're going to trade crypto, trade like a Smith.